This market review is of the Honda CBR1000RR-R. It's the Fireblade SP. There is another version of this, and it's a beautiful motorbike. I guess they had different decals on that on the other one. It's a 1/12 scale model by Tamiya, and there are the pictures from the side, dimensions as well. And there's another version of it, all in black. To be honest, I like the racing colors. It just looks like a bike that's supposed to be fast if it has all those racing colors and decals. So let's have a look here. We'll start off with our tires, front and back. We've also got some wiring, tubing. We've got some polycaps, a screwdriver, the spring, and all those screws. Looks like there's another wire there. We'll have to see what that's for. Then we've got our glass, beautifully molded. Headlights and tail lights, and there's our windshield. Okay, over here we've got some of our frame parts here. Grills there. There's part of our top of the fork there. Some little winglets or body contours and so on. That's probably the front where the headlights will go. We've got some engine parts here. There are handlebars. This one here in white, we've got mostly cowling parts, and there's an individual part for some reason, not molded to the rest of it, but beautifully molded. Look at the curve there, it is just absolutely perfect. No flashing, there's a slight mold line right there, but other than that, these are just perfect. Okay, next one here. We've got our rear discs. Actually, these are the front disc brakes, and they are already pre-drilled, which is awesome, because normally I have to drill them out myself. There's the the rear brake there. Here's our wheels. There's the front wheel, the large rear wheel there. We've got our front fork. We've got some fans there, engine parts. Not sure if that's for a radiator. We'll have to have a look and see. There's our oil. And there's our seats, another part of the seat there, and our side mirrors, but beautifully molded. It is absolutely perfect. Okay, last sprue here. Looks like we've got the rest of the engine parts. And look at that, just beautifully molded. See all the little details there. There's our radiator, more engine parts. Here is the chain and drive sprockets. We've got our exhaust parts. There's the muffler. Looks very similar to the other molding. Okay, so here we've got some side mirrors. Got some decals. Let's have a look at these. We'll pull these out here. And some masks. There's some decals there. And the other decals, beautifully printed. Okay, now we've got our information about the bike. And in the paint and decal guide, here's the other version. And then pictures of the real bike. That is a beautiful motorbike. Let's go through our instructions here. Here are the colors needed. Shows you how to use the masks. And there's the two different options, A or B. So here you build the engine. And then start to put on the lines and tubes and so on. Here are the fuel injectors with the throttle bodies. Start to build the frame. And then put it all together with the engine. Here's the rear fender, the brake lights and so on. That's then mounted onto the body. It says do not cement. Interesting. Here's a stand. Then start to put the rear damper. There's the spring and the swing arm together. Here is the chain and rear wheel with brakes. That's then mounted. And then you've got the spring arm being attached. A couple of screws going in there. Stand can go on then. And then there's some pedals. And we start to do the exhaust pipes. And there's the muffler. And that's then mounted. We've got a radiator. And that's mounted along with all the additional hoses. There's the headlights. Here's our front wheel, along with those enormous brakes. There's the front fork as well as the fender, brake calipers, and all those hoses. There are the handlebars going on, and then mounting all of that onto the bike. There's the brake lines. There's the air intake, handlebars, and finally fuel tank. Then start with the body pieces. There's the fuel tank cover, the seat, and then start to put the front cover on there and some of those ducts. There's the front cowling along with the windshield. Now, depending on which version you build, you'll see A or B. It tells you what color to paint it. Same thing with these cowls here as to how you paint it or put decals on. Depends on which version. So there's A and B. This is the black version. This is the red and blue version. And we mount the cowls. Same thing with the other side. There's the under cowl. There's the winglets on the side mirrors, additional kickstand and levers, and there's the rear part with the license plate, and some details there about painting. So all in all, just a phenomenal model, tremendous detail, quality is amazing, must do.